How to add a stroke to type in Photoshop. Select the layer, go here to the T in the Layers panel and right click. Go with Blending Options, and in Blending Options you've got this option down the bottom, Click Effects, and you can see Stroke. So Stroke will be added here. It's highlighted, also checked. You can now modify the size. Also what you need to do is set the position to outside. Also you can change the colour, so click here, change the colour and click OK. Also you can modify it to a gradient or pattern if you wish as well. You can also add additional strokes. Just go here to the plus, click there. Firstly, go to the bottom one and there increase the size. I'm just going to push this up a bit. And I'm going to change colour to green. And once you've got that, you can see now you've got two strokes. This one, if you select it, is independent of the other one and is the red there. And you can again modify the size if you wish. You want it smaller or bigger. And then click OK. If you've got any questions about this, please contact me below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.